Hello everyone, today I'm gonna show you how to duplicate app on Samsung Galaxy Z Flip 7. So look here, I have two Facebook, 1 and 2, and WhatsApp, dual WhatsApp. I'm easily use two different WhatsApp. So I'm provide how can easily set up. So at first open your settings, scroll down, click on to advanced feature, scroll down and click on dual messenger. Then you get three social site: Facebook, WhatsApp, Snapchat. So just make sure to turn on, then you get install option. Press on to install and now install your second WhatsApp. You just easily use two WhatsApp, first account and use another account, just need to log in. So that's it.